Welcome to my YouTube channel. How do YouTubers and YouTube channels get paid? They make money by monetizing their channels with ads running through their videos. The amount of money they earn depends on the ad views and also on their CPM. CPM stands for cost per thousand views. It is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads on their videos 1,000 times. Many factors affect CPM, like demographics, content, gender, and watch time. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where these people are watching the video. YouTube will also take 45% of the revenue from advertising. In this video, we are going to talk about the YouTube channel called Andy Cooks. With 264,000 subscribers and over 58 million views per month. Average daily views are around 2 million. For 1,000 views gives YouTube after taking 45% on average $4, so daily income is 2 million divided by 1,000 times 4, which is about $8,000 a day. Average monthly views are over 58 million. So monthly income is 58 million divided by 1,000 times 4, which is about $232,000 per month. And when we multiply this by 12, we get yearly earnings, which is almost $2,784,000 per year. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Also, let me know the YouTube channel you want me to do next.